Are you overwhelmed with all the investment opportunities out there and don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you where you can let your money grow so you can get started investing today. Hi, I'm Björn and welcome to my channel in which we build wealth the simple way. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need to understand there are different types of investments. There's stocks. Investing in stocks is a way to own a piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you basically become a shareholder and can potentially earn money through dividends or capital appreciation. Bonds, on the other hand, are a way for companies or governments to borrow money. When you invest in a bond, you're essentially lending money and will receive regular interest payments. There's also real estate. Investing in real estate can include buying a rental property or investing into the REITs, the real estate investment trusts. There are also mutual funds and ETFs, exchange traded funds. Mutual funds and ETFs are a great way to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. Mutual funds are usually actively managed funds and therefore more expensive than ETFs. Also, you got to keep in mind that more than 85% of the mutual funds, the active managed funds, are not outperforming the market based on studies. That's why I personally invest into broadly diversified ETFs. If you want to become wealthy, you need to create a diversified portfolio. Diversification is key to reducing risk in your investment portfolio. This means spreading your money across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Asset allocation is another important aspect of diversification. This refers to the balance of different types of investments in your portfolio. For example, if you invest into ETFs, let's say 80% of your money into the MSCI World and 20% into the emerging markets. Setting goals are absolutely crucial. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear idea of what you're hoping to achieve. Are you saving for a down payment of a house? Planning for retirement? In this case, I would probably keep the money in the bank as no one knows how the market is going to perform in the short run. Studies based on historic data show that the global economy is growing over the long run. So of course there will be up and downs, but overall it's growing. Once you have a specific goal in mind, you can create an investment plan that aligns with those goals. Please only invest money you don't need and make sure you have set up an emergency fund of 3 to 6 month net salary. Okay, but now let's invest. No, not so quick. Before investing in any company or fund, it's important to do your due diligence. Research the company's financials, management team, and industry trends. I will include a few helpful links in the description below. And also, please don't make the mistake and blindly follow anyone's advice on the so-called hot stock. It's also important to keep an eye on current events and how they may affect your investments. If you're a long-term investor like me, who's investing every single month into a broadly diversified ETF, you don't have to check the pulse of the market, as the media news are rather for short-term traders. It's a good learning though to follow the financial news and learn the terminologies if you're not being in touch with personal finance and the stock market before. Now you can get started with your investments. Start small though. It's always a good idea to start small when you're first starting to invest. This will give you a chance to learn and make mistakes without risking too much money. And take 25, 50, 100 bucks and make yourself familiar not only with the online broker, but also with your emotional reaction to gain or losses of your money. Investing is not for everyone. If you have a clear plan though, investing can be fun. And even in tough times like we are in right now. I hope this video helped you to get an overview of what kind of investments are there available, so you can actually get started on your investment journey in 2023. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it's important to have patience and stay diversified. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and how to make your money work for you. If you want to invest into a broadly diversified ETF, just like the MSCI World, which is the most popular ETF in the world, you gotta check out this video, which is talking about all the pros and cons. So make sure you've seen this video before you actually invest into these MSCI World. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.